So this tool from Google will help you to basically learn how to create better prompts. So the concept of this game from Google is that basically gives you pictures and then you describe them. You create a prompt that will create the same image, and so that way you learn to visualize and analyze the picture. Then you give the right prompt. So basically, you will have a vocabulary of aesthetics and aesthetics of creating great prompts. So basically, Google collaborated with an artist called Jack Watt to create this apps called See What You See, basically. And you just launch the experiment from here, and then basically start level one from here, and then basically give you a picture. And now you have to basically describe it to, as you can see here, like this is, for example, a painting of a dog in a field. Okay, this is like the simple one. Now let's try a live one. As you can see here, for example, let me try to create something. I don't know if this is a kombucha or those that Korean dish. Let me just try something. And now when you click begin, you'll get the image of the, if you didn't get it right, or you were like very not right, you will see this note from here. I'm not sure that's relevant to what I showed you. Can you try a different caption? Yeah, so I will let you basically experiment this amazing tool from Google. You can try, you can play it every day, so you can basically enhance your vocabulary. It's all about, yeah, when it comes to prompts, I think it's all about the knowledge you have. The more knowledge you have, you can basically describe things. You can basically understand aesthetic styles of designing, of painting, and all the stuff. So the more knowledge you get, the better prompt your prompting engineer will be better. So thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more videos. Thank you.